Assalamu alaikum. I'm extremely thankful to the Wings of ESC for organizing such a wonderful event for overcoming the public speaking fears, that is the glossophobia, and also thankful for providing an open source for public speaking, that is let's talk anything. So yeah, I have chosen a topic on the awareness of preserving old books, especially the higher, intermediate, and degree books. The primary goal of this topic is to aware how the primary goal of this topic is to aware how could we preserve the lifespan of an intermediate and degree books for the needy and the seekers. I know many of you audience are wondering why these two only books, because intermediates and degree books are too expensive and too bulky in nature. That is why people hesitate to purchase it and carry it. But all they need to have it for reference and deeper understandings. And if you are senior, then obviously your cute and astute junior would surely have knocked you at the time. And sometimes seniors too for someone else. All these things that I have been observing for a couple of months in the Wings of ESC group, that many Wings members are looking around for some intermediate and degree books. Like some had been looking for degree books of economics and some looking for intermediate books of science. I have seen a member himself advertise a couple of books of Shakespeare for English honors student. Talk on the latest member, recently I have seen someone have asked for intermediate Hindi guidebook. So there could be many more people in the future who might ask such books in the future. For obviously these people are intermediate for the one who are seeking those books, and Wings is made to help the needy and the seekers, and it is only possible when we collaborate with the Wings of ESC and start preserving the old intermediate and degree books. Similarly, to talk on the latest new joint Wings Fresher, I personally believe they have a collection of fragile or academic books that they want to preserve. In order to make sure they maintain their condition and last as long as possible, you need to do a proper caring, because old books degrade with time as they are affected by several environmental factors, and general mishandling could depress their values forever. So to avoid all these, we need to do a proper caring and follow this suggestion. Firstly, I will like to say, like you may ask directly in the group as if someone needs this or that books. Seekers and bibliophile will surely comment you back. By doing this, so it will be preserved in advance for them. Secondly, you may buy a jumbo wrapper made of archival material. It will provide a barrier against insects and also shelter it from the dust. Also, it will take a narrow space for bookkeeping. Thirdly, you may go to Wings of ESC library and even some local store books of College Street. If they purchase those books, you may get some cash, but make it the last option, because first be the helping hand, first serve your Wings library and serve the needy. Lastly, you may do the trending things like scan the pages and convert it into PDF and upload it into Wings of ESC official e-library page, and even in some Telegram group, because Telegram is mainly known for PDF, movies, and note sharing platform. Although there is no specific set of rules for books and paper preservation, however, to understand it simply, we need to understand how we meticulously and affectionately preserve our Holy Quran. Although the Almighty God Himself guaranteed for the preservation of Quran, so why will people not stand to preserve our own book affectionately? I don't think it needs a rocket science. It needs a simple caring and proper dedication. I pray to God for His clear guidance in this needful work. Now I'm closing my speech with an inspiring quotation once quoted by Marcus Cicero: like a room without books is like a body without soul. So just like we care our soul, we need to take care our books too. Thank you very much.